Which is the largest succus? Succus anticus, succus medius, succus posticus, succus superior. So largest is the succus medius and the smallest is the succus anticus. These succi are derivative of endothelial lined pouches, that is tubotympanic recess, which is ultimately coming from the first pharyngeal pouch, which extend from eustachian tube toward the mustard. So this tubotympanic recess convert into four primary succi or pouches. Succus medius is largest succi, which lead to formation of medial part of the mustard ear system and mainly epitympanic mucosal folds. It form mainly anteroepitympanic space, posteroepitympanic space, superior incudal space, editus, medial attic and medial antrum, and medial part of the mustard ear cell system. You can say 90% of epitympanum are derived from this succus medius, which ultimately divide into three parts: anterior saccule, medial saccule and posterior saccule. These three saccule convert into mucosal folds in the epitympanum. Succus superior form the inferior incudal space, posterior pouch of the von Trolch, lateral attic and lateral antrum and lateral part of the mustard ear cell system, and majority part of the Prussic space are derivative of the succus superior. Succus posticus, which form the mainly retrotympanic mucosal folds, hypotympanum and petrous ear cell system. So succus posticus mainly develop into retrotympanic area. Succus anticus develop into protympanum and anterior pouch of von Trolch. So these two structures mainly develop from the succus anticus, and there is no ear cell developed from the succus anticus. There are 10 mucosal folds which are important clinically. 5 fold of around the malleus is anterior malleal fold, posterior malleal fold, anterior malleal ligamental fold, posterior ligamental fold and superior malleal fold. These are the 5 fold of the malleus, and 4 important fold around the incus. First is superior incudal fold, posterior incudal fold, medial incudal fold and lateral incudomalleal fold. These are the 4 fold of the incus, and one clinical important fold is the tensor tympani fold. So these are the 10 clinical important mucosal folds. Epitympanic diaphragm, which is situated in the epitympanum, is consist of 3 malleal ligamental folds. That ligamental folds are anterior, lateral and posterior malleal ligamental folds with posterior incudal ligamental folds and 2 purely membranous folds, that is tensor fold and lateral incudomalleal fold, form the epitympanic diaphragm. So it consists of 6 mucosal folds which form the epitympanic diaphragm. Anterior tympanic isthmus is the communication or aeration pathway between the tensor tympani muscle and the incudostapedial joint. Anterior to the incudostapedial joint is the anterior isthmus, which is about 1.3 mm size, which communicate anterior protympanum to the posterior isthmus, and posterior tympanic isthmus is beyond the stapes, or you can say incudostapial joint, till the stapedius tendon. These two isthmus communicate the tubotympanic area to the mustard ear cells.